The 23rd question is integral of sin inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square. So here it is very clear that if I take sin inverse x as t, then dt will come out as 1 by root of 1 minus x square, right? So sin inverse x, take it as t, differentiating on both sides, we get 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square into dx by dt using the chain rule is equal to 1, right? So this implies dx divided by root of 1 minus x square is equal to dt. So dx divided by root of 1 minus x square is dt. So the whole question will get converted as integral of sin inverse x can be written as t, dx by root of 1 minus x square can be written as dt. So this will be equal to integral of t dt is t square by 2 plus c. So this will also be equal to sin inverse x the whole square divided by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer, sin inverse x the whole square divided by 2 plus c.